If you run a home care agency, there's a question I don't hear often enough. And that question is, what am I doing to prepare for retirement? Because many home care agency owners spend years taking care of clients, taking care of employees, taking care of payroll, taking care of taxes, and taking care of everyone else, but they never create a retirement plan for themselves. And that's a problem because one day you may decide to slow down or retire or sell the business. And when that day comes, you want something other than Social Security to rely on. I'm an enrolled agent with over 14 years of experience helping business owners navigate taxes, accounting, and IRS rules. And today, I want to give you a simple overview of retirement plans and how they may fit into your tax strategy. First, what is a retirement plan? A retirement plan is simply a way to set aside money for your future. Instead of spending all of your income today, you save and invest a portion of it for later. And many retirement accounts come with tax advantages. That's one reason they're so popular because retirement planning isn't only about building wealth, it can also be part of tax planning. Now, when most people think about retirement accounts, they think about an IRA, and that's a good place to start. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. And there are two types most people hear about: a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. With a traditional IRA, you may receive a tax deduction today and pay taxes later when you withdraw the money. With a Roth IRA, you generally contribute after tax dollars, but qualified withdrawals in retirement can be tax free. Both can be valuable. The right choice depends on your situation. But here is what I want home care agency owners to understand: those are considered personal retirement accounts. Once your business begins to grow, you may have access to additional options. And that's where business retirement plans come into the picture. One option is a SEP IRA. SEP stands for Simplified Employee Pension. It's often popular with business owners because it's relatively simple to set up and maintain. With a SEP IRA, the business makes the contribution. And one feature many owners like is flexibility. You generally decide each year whether to contribute and how much to contribute. Another option is a simple IRA. And despite the name, there is nothing simple about choosing the right retirement plan. But simple IRAs were designed for smaller employers and can allow both employee contributions and employer contributions. Then there is solo 401k. This option is often discussed by self-employed individuals or business owners who do not have employees. One reason many people like solo 401k is because it may allow higher contributions than some other plans depending on income and circumstances. And of course, there are traditional 401k plans which are often used by larger businesses that want to provide retirement benefits to employees. Now, here's where many business owners get overwhelmed. They ask, which retirement plan is best? And the answer is, it depends. It depends on your profit, your payroll, your number of employees, your business structure, your cash flow, and your goals. The best retirement plan for a solo owner may not be the best retirement plan for a home care agency with 10 employees or 20 employees or 50 employees. That's why retirement planning should never be based on a social media post or a quick tip you saw online. It should be based on your specific situation. Now, let's talk about something important. Many business owners think retirement plans are only about saving money. They're not. Retirement plans can also help you attract and retain employees because benefits matter. Good caregivers have options. And when employees compare employers, retirement benefits can become part of that decision. That's one reason many growing businesses eventually explore retirement plans, not only for themselves, but for their team. And here's another point I want you to remember. You do not need to know everything about retirement plans to get started. You simply need to start asking the right questions. Do I currently have a retirement plan? Am I contributing anything toward retirement? Am I taking advantage of available tax benefits? And does my current plan still make sense for my business today? Because what worked when your agency was generating 100K a year may not be the best option when you're generating 500,000 or $1 million. Your retirement strategy should grow as your business grows. So here's the big takeaway. Retirement planning isn't just about your future. It's also part of your current financial strategy. The right retirement plan may help you save for the future, reduce taxes, and strengthen your overall financial picture. But the best plan depends on your business, your employees, and your goals. And that's why it's important to understand your options before making a decision. In the next video, we'll look at another commonly misunderstood area of tax planning for home care agency owners. And trust me, it's another topic that creates a lot of confusion. I'll see you there.